Should we talk about anything?
If you can, like.
Huh?
Not.
We won't show. But also, it's like special edition of cut.
Let's talk about CNC.
This isn't one take, right?
No.
We can cut it
Cut
out.
it out.
Okay.
No, Phil, don't fuck up. One take.
Okay.
I got my name right.
Okay.
Check it out.
Hey guys, welcome to a very special edition of Cutting Corners. I'm your host, Jim Bolosic. Joining me today,
Phil Linscheid.
Phil Linscheid. He is our operations director for our CNC shop. So our new CNC shop. It's, how old is it?
8 months, 7 months.
Yeah, not very long.
Yeah.
We're learning a lot, but so far so good. It's awesome. So actually, if you're just hearing about this, you can order your parts today. So upload your step file to the website. All right, so let's talk about our CNC process.
Absolutely.
Normally with CNC, it's really hard to get just one of something made. You know, no one really wants to invest in the programming or whatever.
Yeah.
How are we able to do that?
So we're leveraging technology. So we're leveraging the technology in programming the part. We've also standardized everything we do in the shop. So there's a lot less decisions and almost no setup in what we do.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you need one, no big deal. If you need 100, no big deal. We have a lot of automation. We've invested in robotics and
pallet changers, robots, a lot of fixturing, work holding, and really cutting strategies also.
Yeah. So right now, as far as pricing goes, we're trying to be the best of the best, obviously. Since we're brand new, we're actually capacity constrained. So as we add new machines, we're going to slowly work those prices down. So, but right now, we're probably one of the best in the US. Offshore, we're coming for you.
Absolutely.
What do you think the best way is for us to continue to reduce pricing?
So I think it's customer education. I think it's understanding what the constraints are for manufacturing parts. I also think that we're learning and growing. This isn't even a year old yet. A lot of the folks that are in this are still learning also. So every day we're getting better. So it's kind of happening naturally, pretty organically, I'd say.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of things that me, myself, and a few of the guys in the crew we're doing things we've wanted to do for many years. And so it's really been a dream come true in that way, in sort of like standardization or certain tools we're using, certain technologies.
Yeah.
The technology is also developing as well. So
one of those things that you guys have been dreaming about doing for years is not accepting prints.
correct.
So that is something a little weird. If you've known SendCutSend for any period of time, is that a terrible noise? Okay, whatever. Sorry about the terrible noise. We've made over 50 million sheet metal parts and we've never used a print once. We're taking that same concept and applying it to CNC machining.
Correct. So, and we've made over 10,000 parts in CNC without prints already, and very successfully. A lot of people might get concerned with that, but the reality of it is we have very, very good machines. We are calibrating them every single day, and we are holding 4 or 5 decimal place inch on everything that we're doing in terms of machine geometry, machine motion. So we feel really confident in what we're doing. The part will not only look good, but function really well.
Yeah, and if it doesn't, we'll make you a new one. It's just like we would in sheet metal. Talk to me about our machines. You said that if you use a really high quality machine, you get a really high quality part. These are good machines, yes?
Yeah,
I remember cutting the check for them. So.
Yeah. So Matsura is a great machine tool. They're fourth generation ownership. They're what I would consider to be like a boutique or a niche machine. They're very, very good at this thing here. So palletized 5-axis. They have a tremendous amount of tools. There's 330 tools in the machine, which means I don't have to load and unload every single time I want to make a different part.
And it means we can say yes to your parts.
Correct.
So oftentimes, instead of us having to buy a special tool and delay your job or whatever, we have a ton of tools. We're ready to rock and roll. So you're going to get your part faster.
Yeah, and we could go from customer A to customer B to customer C with 0 hiccups, 0 changeover. The employees, the operators don't really even notice it. The process is very well defined.
Yeah, sometimes the first time that we actually see a part is when it comes out of the machine. So anyway, we're trying to approach this the SendCutSend way, not the way that it's always been done, and so far it's working.
Yeah, we're really happy with it. We've got an energetic group of guys and folks that are making parts, and it's been really great.
Cool. What's next? Like right now we offer 6061. I assume
Correct.
we're going to be offering more materials at some point.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a combination of things. I think we are constantly adding and developing the tool list, so we're adding more tools. We're able to make more features. I think alloys, different materials is definitely on that roadmap. I also think that sizing, we've been adding sizes as the time has gone on. So
what's our biggest size right now?
So right now it is 7x7x24 is the largest cube or block that we can make.
Okay.
But we actually have a lot of other sizes that we've introduced that are not announced. So they're smaller in volume, but they're like 3x12 is an aluminum extrusion size that we offer. Cut to any length that'll fit into a machine. We've done a number of things like that.
So that gets into like, what are we good at? What are we not good at? You mentioned earlier, like, we don't want to make big long hot dogs, but we'll make hamburgers.
Correct. Yeah, we're more in the burger business. If it's something that's flat and relatively short, we'll make those. Parts that are really long and really thin, folks that would normally get those made on like a Swiss lathe or a sliding head lathe. We're not in that business yet. We will be at some point, but right now it's really heavy milling, 5-axis. I would say 70 to 80% of everything we're doing is single operation, which is wonderful for holding tolerances and making sure the part looks good. Yeah. We do have second ops as well.
Also for speed and price. So that's our big focus. Phil mentioned the Matsuras, which are amazing. And we've also made a significant investment in the Brother ecosystem in the Speedios.
Right. Yep.
So we have many of those spindles on the ground right now and more coming. The goal is to be able for you guys to order your parts today, get them in your hand tomorrow for the lowest cost possible in any quantity. So yeah. Anything else we should know?
Send us your parts and we'll figure out how to make them.
Producer Dom, did we cover it all? Yeah, so what can't we do? Like Phil was saying, we can do cylinders and cubes, but if you need like a broom handle, probably not good for us.
Yeah.
What else can't we do? Oh, T-slot? Can we do like T-slot stuff?
So like I would say general undercutting. So T-slots, undercutting, underboring, counterboring, back spot face, things like that we're not into yet, but we do have tools for that.
Yeah.
So it's going to be hit or miss as we develop, but we're getting those.
Tapping is no problem.
Tapping, we have everything. It's on the app. It's on the website.
Don't model your threads.
Don't model threads, and using the app today, you can select which threads you want, even if the hole doesn't match, and we'll make sure it's there. We are using roll and cut taps, but you don't need to worry about that. Just tell us what threads you want, and we'll make it happen.
Yeah, we try and make it easy. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team. Those guys are awesome. Secondary operations, so we offer a vapor hone. Well, everything is edge broken, right?
Everything will have an edge break. It'll vary depending on the model, but everything will be broken, not sharp. And then we're doing anodizing, vapor honing, which they're together. If you're getting anodized, we are vapor honing. It gives a wonderful finish.
Yeah, so it's like a glass bead finish or whatever, and then it'll be anodized. And anodizing is black, clear, gold, red, blue. That's probably it. Then it goes in a box, gets shipped to you. We're going to be getting better and better. So
yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Producer Dom, anything else? Okay, we got a thumbs up, so I guess we're going to wrap. Check out the merch store if you want SendCutSend gear. There's new stuff in there right now. And then to get a price on your model, feel free to upload your step file to SendCutSend.com. Okay, love you, bye.